discovered, and this is the value. These are all the values which are to be discovered, and this value is always being inferred incorrectly. So for that reason, now this is getting adjusted. All right. So let's wait. So when I say getting adjusted, what is happening? We will also scroll down and look at it. You see, there is something called loss calculation. Okay. So what is a loss? You can see from the correct answer, how far is it basically is something which is being calculated. That is basically your loss calculation. Okay. Having said that, something else is also to your interest. You see, this is what is your weights and bias. What does that mean? So like you see, whenever a value is going into the system, so there is something called W00, W010, W10 and all that stuff. So along this way, your input, what is your input? Input is your 001011 and all that stuff. This value is getting multiplied with those numbers and then getting transformed basing on your activation function and then going as your output. Okay. When you say the model is being trained or model is learning, what exactly is happening under the hood? This is what is happening. What is that? This is nothing but your weights getting adjusted. Okay, this is basically called your weights and bias, and this is something which is getting adjusted. Once these values basically reach an optimum value wherein which your model accuracy is 100%, then the model is basically considered as learnt model. Okay, let's again go back and look at what is happening here. So it is almost there. Okay, so let's try to give it some more time. So this is what is your learning with respect to at least a neural network. So in a like kind of other ML models, something like what you say, your linear regression, polynomial regression, and all that stuff. So the sklearn basically uses a different kind of libraries. Okay, but in this case, we are simply trying to use something called your SGD algorithm, stochastic gradient descent algorithm, and then trying to realize this thing. Okay, so it's almost there. So I'm expecting it to cross over 5.0 or like 0.5, which will start to be inferred as your logic 1. So any value which is basically below logic 0 or is basically logic 0 value 0.5 is basically being discovered as your category 0, and any value which is above is basically being discovered as your 1. Now you see the model can be called as like learned model. Okay, when you say learned model, now you see accuracy is something which has reached to 100%. Okay, yeah, I'll again repeat myself. And then you also have your weights here. Okay, if you want to understand it better, let's try to go to this. This is what is happening exactly as part of your neural network. Okay, just pay attention and you should be able to understand it. So now you see, you have this. Will not really dwell more into details of what are these activation functions and everything, but just to take it in this way, saying that sigmoid is an kind of an mathematical function which changes your data. So you have two sets of inputs, that is your input 0 and input 1. Okay, this is your input 0 and I0 and I1. Let's also increase the size of this. So this is your I0 and I1. I0 is getting multiplied with your W0 and 00, and I1 is getting multiplied with the W010, and then it is associated with some kind of a bias called H10. So that is there. All right. So this is when, okay, I'm showing you a little bit incorrect one. Let's try to make it simple for you. Now you see. So now you have your W0 and 00, and H10 is something which is getting added here. Okay. So let's try to. This inter one is nothing but your orange color node, the output which is coming from there. Okay. So this transformation, what exactly happens or what flows out of this orange color node is what is this. Okay. And after this transformation, what happens to the rest is basically your next. So the out is your output, which basically applies a function called your softmax, because this is a categorical problem statement. And then you have your input cross your weights plus your bias. So what is your input? Input is basically your intermediate. This is something which is going in and getting multiplied by your weights and then your bias, and then it is basically becoming your softmax, and that is your output. I hope you understood this. Ganappa, any questions? This is the only most technical point what we are going to discuss in the whole of our session. After this, we'll not really go at this depth. We'll basically touch in a very different angle and different way. Please give me a thumbs up if you have understood this, or if someone wants more description also, please ping me on the chat. What is so confusing?